Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need tire repair, a new paint job or touch-up, or a tune-up, at Patriot Subaru, we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru master technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, schedule service appointments online, order parts, and visit our accessories website. And see how Patriot Subaru's green policy extends to every part of our business. Talk to us about the things we do to be a good environmental citizen. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.